Hi everyone, it's Cynthia Painter here from Create Action Now, and I'm glad you've come along to have a listen about why you should be looking at NLP practitioner training and what's actually covered. So NLP is Neuro Linguistic Programming. What does that mean? It's about understanding how the mind works and how you can make the mind work for you by looking at how you are programming, how you're wiring, how your thinking operates, or your mindset. Now, NLP has been around for a very long time and will be for a long time to come, and that's because it's built on excellence. It's built on looking on things that study and models that create excellence by role modeling what's already been before. Now, what does that actually mean? Well, there's all the models and things that are covered in NLP and not being created by NLP. It's sort of a banking place where we go put information. So the models, things like Milton model and Meta model, which are languaging and questioning models, these have come out of Milton Erickson, who is a great hypnotherapist, and Virginia Satir, who was a fantastic, or the grande dame of family therapy. So when you're looking at NLP, you are really looking at something that has great strong foundations in understanding excellence and role modeling what's already come before. And that allows you then to build on that because you're not starting from scratch. So NLP will give you a suite of concepts, tools, and strategies for you to be able to create change and support you through change and transformation that you're going through. Also gives you a great set of techniques and understanding that you can then utilize with clients if you want to be able to go help change the world. In fact, it's being able to go work in basically every profession and occupation that there is when you're interacting with people, either from improving your communication with others to being able to actually create change with other people. So NLP will cover things from how to manage your emotions and how to help change and manage the state of emotions of others so that you are doing it with them, not to them, so that you can actually get more consistent, greater results. It will help you with understanding languaging, the things that you say to yourself and how they impact how you feel and the results you get, and help you with the things that people say to themselves and how that impacts them and how you can create greater change. It'll also help you with giving a suite of techniques, and when you come to the training, you do get all the scripts, all the steps, all the strategies that we cover either at practitioner or master practitioner level that you can take away and you can actually keep. So you've got these in your hands to be able to utilize over and over again as you learn it and as you put it into practice. It will really give you the opportunity to be able to do this hands-on. This is not a theory-based program. Yes, of course, there's lots of concepts that we learn, but when we learn a technique, we apply a technique. There is no role-playing in this training. We actually have hands-on application. That means that you get to use the technique as the practitioner or the coach. So when you're practicing that on another student, and then same the other way around, so that you then not only get to feel what the technique is like, but I say to my students, bring your problems with you because you'll actually be able to deal with some of that wiring and problems and mindset that you have, and you will create shifts whilst you're in the training, which is just amazing. Now, you have to be open to it and go with it, of course, but it is there for you to be able to do that as well. And what I really love about this training is it is also based on these NLP presuppositions. So these are convenient assumptions or mindset hacks that really help you to be able to navigate the world in a far more robust, resilient way, so that you're not getting caught up in other people's dramas and you're not getting caught up in your own drama. So there's so many things that you can get out of this training. Now, particularly the NLP practitioner training that I'm running also covers NLP coaching, which is another form of model of that. We also cover timeline therapy. Timeline therapy is a suite of very effective, simple techniques that you can use to be able to create real change for people by being able to get rid of past emotional baggage, being able to set and get rid of limiting decisions and beliefs that you have, and be able to put effective goals in the future that really come true, because you're being able to use the whole wiring of the mind with that as well. And hypnosis. We actually do days on hypnosis as well, which is based on language that we learn in NLP. So it all works really great together as well. Now, I would love to see you there at the upcoming training. You can put a comment in and I can get back to you, or you can click and book in a time and we can actually make this happen. Have a bit of a chat with you on what it is that you're wanting to be able to achieve, and we can work out if this is a great fit for you. But it's fantastic training. Really, if you're wanting to be able to go to that next level in personal development, if you're really wanting to create greater success in your life and help create the change that you want, and if you're wanting to be able to help create change in others, then this is a no-brainer when it comes to your next training. So I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to be able to help you be able to achieve this training, attend this training, and get the results that you really want. So reach out and let's chat soon. Okay, bye.